po, when I was, pag-assume ko po sa PCSO, Mr. Chair, that was almost a week after I sought an audience po kay PRRD. I was the one who talked to PRRD mentioning po yung mga irregularities sa PCSO. Like sa STL, there are waivers that were approved by the board. Ibig po sabihin, yung original na GMMRR po ng STL, pina-waive po ng board ang mga utang. Halimbawa STLA may utang na 20 million dahil sinasabi daw nila na lugi sila. O sige, i-waive na lang natin yan, 20 million mo, gawin na lang natin 10, i-post-dated mo na lang yan. Ito na lang yung bago mo GMMRR, from 10 million, gawin na lang natin 8. Reduction of GMMRR po yon. Meron din po mga bond po na instead na cash po ang bond, naging installment. Mga ganon. So, yun po yung naabutan ko. And there are also reduction of GMMRR na hindi pa po na-cancel yung previous contract, ay in-implement na po yung bagong amount na board resolution lang naman po ang na-issue. Meron din pong in-implement pero walang kontrata. May kontrata, hindi napirmahan. May kontrata na pirmado, hindi mo alam kung sinong pumirma. So those are the irregularities po na nangyari. And kung i-compute mo po inawala kay PCSO, I think, if I'm not mistaken, meron naman po listahan ng PCSO, that is around 5 billion ang nawawalang
5
pera.
billion.
Oo, more or less. I'm not sure of the figure, pero yan po yung estimate. So, I reported that to the President because bawal po yun. Na i-waiver mo, ang cash bond installment mo, i-merge mo yung isang company, 3 area, isang company, i-merge mo into one, para sa ganun yung bond is ma-reduce, instead of 15 million ay magiging isang 15 million na lang, so nakatipid ka ng 30 million. Mga ganun po yung sitwasyon noon. So, there was during that time when I assumed also, may nag-garnish po na 700 plus million ang TMA sa account ng PCSO na parang nawalang bula. At paano nalaman ng TMA ang bank account ng PCSO sa PNB and I forgot the other bank, which is a mystery hanggang nung umalis ako, parang walang klarong nangyari. Hindi namin alam kung paano nangyari na wala na lang yung 700 plus million sa account ng PCSO. Up to now yan, alam niya ng PCS. I don't know kung na-account na o naibalik na ba na TMA. Nagkaroon po ng case po yan. With regard sa peryahan ng bayan, pag-assume ko po, Mr. Chair, meron pong court CA decision. CA decision instructing PCSO to an status quo and directing PCSO to send representatives sa draw court ng peryahan ng bayan and while mag-arbitrate to resolve the issue ni PCSO and the peryahan. And pag-assume ko po, meron ng board resolution adopting the Court of Appeals decision. So that is why when I assume, sir, sabi ko, itong status ni peryahan, I think we should implement because there's a court order and the board decided to adopt. Pero that time po, kinasuhan na po ng peryahan si Chairman Pinili for not following the CA order po. So, sabi ayaw ng board na implement. So sabi ko, let us cancel then the board resolution. Para sa ganun naman, wala akong i-implement. Kasi implementer lang naman ang GM po. Ayaw po nila ipa-cancel. Sabi ko, kung ayaw niya i-cancel, then I will implement because there's a board resolution adopting the CA decision. So, mga ganun po yung sitwasyon during that time. Nalaman po ni Presidente, kaya pinakancel niya lahat ng game. At sabi niya sa akin, ayusin niyo muna lahat yan. Magbayad muna lahat ng STL before niyo ipa-resume.
Is that related to the killing of Barayuga?
Mr. Chair, the
relation
President directed NBI to investigate the board. In fact, there was a board meeting that Yusek Kitain instructed the board to resign. But nobody resigned. Sabi nila, wala naman daw kasalanan. So naiwan sila sa board po. And during that time, NBI investigated po yung allegation of corruption. So, humingi po ng mga documents ang NBI, which I complied. And there are also documents that Sir Barayuga should also comply at isubmit niya sa NBI. So, yun po yung sitwasyon noon, sir, na sinasabing may corruption, may mga documents, isasubmit talaga si Sir Barayuga sa NBI, which is, yun yung allegation po ng mga irregularities na nangyari po in the past, not during my time. And last quarter of 2020, Eric Destor met me po. Nag-usap kami sa Shangri-La.
Sino po?
Eric Destor, he was the OIC NBI during that time. Nangumusta siya, sabi ko, it's okay. Inaayos naman namin lahat. Sabi ko, kumusta po yung investigation nyo, kako? Ang sabi niya, tapos na daw yung investigation na ginawa nila sa PCSO. Tinanong ko, ano bang resulta? Sabi niya sa akin, lahat ng board ay tatamaan. And there are some AGMs po na involved kasi may mga napirmahan. Tapos sabi ko, asan yung papel? Sinabmit ko na sa Malacanang. Binigyan ko si Senator Bongo at saka ang PMS para makarating kay Presidente. So sabi ko, okay, pwede pa humingi ng result? Sabi niya, hindi pwede, confidential. Kasi may recommendation. If the palace will approve it, they will file the case. Hanggang na lang po umalis ako, wala po nangyari. Hanggang sa nahirapan na lang ako sa PCSO, Mr. Chair, at sobrang hirap ko dahil po may mga pressure like yung Smart Info, yung joint venture na Chinalat, na ako lang po ang nagdesisyon at kumbinsan pati po si Director Sandra Cam ay nagkakaintindihan kami kasi nga hindi po tama.
When you talk with the NBI director, was Barayuga still alive?
Hindi na po. Namatay na po.
Namatay na siya?
Opo, wala na siya. Kasi parang back to almost normal na yun eh. Nung nag-start na kaming slowly babalik na yung operation namin. Ganun po yung sitwasyon noon. And marami pa po, if I can tell you, and documents will also show talaga sa PCSO that there are plenty of irregularities which I really fought for it.
Do you have documents to show? Do you still have documents to show?
I have some documents, but definitely mayroon document ng legal
Now,
at
will
ang
you
board po
submit
ng
to us the
PCSO.
documents that you're keeping?
Pag makalabas po ako, sir, kay hindi ko
Okay, you
ako lang
promise that, no?
nakakaalam.
Nakalabas ka, you will submit
Hahanapin ko po.
documents to me.
Yung po
to us, to
mga
the
natago
committee.
ko lang po. Yes.
Okay. So General Pinili, now, tell us now what you would like to say. Because ikaw ang pinalitan ni Colonel Garma, hindi ba?
No, sir. I'm the chairman of PCSO.
Chairman, okay. Chairman, sige.
I just preside during board meeting.